Many times when we come onto a job site to polish a floor, we come across the joints that are not in total condition, but not in really good condition. Normally you put polyurea in here, and then nobody likes the chips that it flows into. It's not a real clean look. I have a few reserves about polyurea joints and semi-rigid epoxy joints as to how long they last. Warranties for these products seem to have just a ton of exclusions. None are over 365 days. I see why when I go visit places that are fairly new, and polyurea is only a couple years old. So we're going to try something different here. It's not really trying something different. We're going to run two types of metal, brass and zinc, into the polished concrete joint and use Match Patch Pro to blend it in. There's a standard zinc strip and a standard brass strip. What? Who did this? Yeah, stuff like that happens on the job site. I don't worry about it with Match Patch Pro because I'm going to make a repair right next to it that you can't make with a polyurea. I'm also going to fix all these surface balls, pits, all this stuff at the same time. I've got them both in there and the outline holes fixed and the boo-boo. You got to move fast. It's about 106 degrees where I'm at right now, and I was still able to get things out no problem. Well, it turned out okay in this 108 degree weather. As usual, you can't feel. This is a totally flat joint using the metal. You cannot feel the repair.